Hey everyone, welcome back. मैं हूँ जो ये है
और मैं हूँ श्रुति।
We are going to Coke Studio with Atif Aslam.
लवली लवली।
Yeah, it's
कुछ बचा
something.
है?
Yeah,
आई थॉट हमने सब कुछ तो कवर कर लिया है
I
आतिफ
know.
असलम का।
That's what I thought. That all of Atif Aslam songs on Coke Studio, I know, and all the older ones that you guys keep requesting, Jalpari and whatnot. I know those from my radio days. But this one got requested, and I was like, "What? I haven't heard of this." So clearly, I've missed it. And I opened the link. I checked, the thumbnail, and I was like, "Yes, I've definitely missed it. I don't
ओह
know this
लवली।
song." So it's from season 8, and Gul Panra and Atif Aslam, and I believe the song is Farsi, if I'm not
ओह इट्स इन
mistaken.
फारसी, नाइस, ओके।
So I don't know, but
व्हाट इज इट कॉल्ड दो? मन मन अमदा
Man
अम
Man Amadi Man
ओह
Amadiyam,
मनामतीम।
yeah. Oh, and it released on my birthday in 2018. Wow, lovely.
अरे वाह, अरे वाह। नाइस।
Let's get to it.
ठीक है।
So yeah, this was produced by Strings, and let's get to it. One,
कूल।
two, three, play.
Man amadi man amadi man amadi man amadi voy voy man amadi ish faryad kunam man amadi kinos bunyad kunam man amadi man amadi man amadi voy voy man amadi ish faryad kunam man amadi kinos bunyad kunam man amadi man amadi man amadi voy voy man amadi
दिल संभल तो जाएगा पर संभले नहीं। तुम ही कोई रास्ता दिखाओ ना, बस यही मैं चाहूँ कोई बात करो। है सुना मन तुझ बिन हुआ ना, तोरे नाम कर दूं जो भी है मुझ में, तोरे नाम कर दूं जो भी है मुझ में। बोले बोले दिल तेरा नाम मुझ में, बोले बोले दिल तेरा नाम।
ish faryad kunam man amadi kinos bunyad kunam man amadi man amadi man amadi voy voy man amadi
इश्क किसने देखा है यूं गोशा नशी अधूरे न रह जाए मेरे ख्वाब कहीं ख्वाहिशों में रहो ढलते रहो जागो तो रात ये कहे अभी जाबाओ में मन अमदयम मन अमदयम मन अमदयम
وای وای
मन अमदयम
این عشق فریاد کنه من آمدیم کنار بنیاد کنه
मन अमदयम मन अमदयम मन अमदयम
وای وای
मन अमदयम
این عشق فریاد کنه من آمدیم کنار بنیاد کنه
मन अमदयम मन अमदयम मन अमदयम
وای وای
मन अमदयम वक्त हंसाए गले लगाए तेरे मेरे सब दर्द मिटाए रोकना चाहूं थमना चाहूं रेत किसी के हाथ न आए रंग भर दूं या रहने ही दूं कैसे हुए मेरे अपने पराए ना 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 ना
What a finish!
Waiting for that last.
God.
Oh,
And they leave you hanging. Oh my God.
that was a roller coaster.
That was crazy. That's crazy. So when it began, I know that I have heard just the beginning. And
Oh.
like the Gul Pandra's voice is like
It's
just so soothing.
soothing.
Yeah, and her jewelry. I couldn't get my eyes off the jewelry. I was like, so pretty. So yeah, so I was like fully tripping on that. But so I had heard the start and I thought वैसा ही गाना चलेगा. And so in the beginning I was like, हाँ रे ये तो मैंने सुना हुआ है. Oh, but then when Atif Aslam started singing, I realized कि नहीं मैंने पूरा clearly नहीं सुना है. या ये कोई और version है. Maybe she sung this bit for maybe some other track as well. Because I hadn't heard the Atif Aslam version of it. And it just sounded so good. Like the whole feel is so different when he joined in. In his typical style and his quintessential way of pronouncing words, just रंग जैसे छोटे word के अंदर भी वो ऐसे मतलब कुछ कर देता है कि like it just sounds amazing. He's just too good.
I went through too many emotions through this. It was just so where do we start? There's so many things. So you know what? I think this one deserves a little bit of BTS. Do you want to watch it quickly? Because it's just 2.5
Yeah,
minutes.
sure,
And
sure.
then after we watch the BTS, then I can we can go into what all the different elements.
What fun. What fun. Send
Yeah,
it.
I've sent it to you. Oh my
Yes,
God, it deserves
got
it
it.
because
Uh-huh.
I mean I want to start from the whole uh, you know a language you don't understand, but you still get
Yeah,
the emotion because of the music. Like music, this is why I
correct.
keep saying music knows no language and no boundaries. But let's
Yes.
get into all that discussion after we watch the BTS
Done.
because
Ready. It's all
बनता
cute.
है. Okay, chalo, 1, 2, 3, play. So good.
मन अमदियम के इश्क फरियाद
अच्छा ये फारसी गाना है और काफ़ी पुराना सॉन्ग है
मदियम के नास
और एक ईरानियन सिंगर थी उन्होंने गाया दगोश नाम है उनका
ये क्या था? ए शार्प माइनर, बी फ्लैट माइनर। हाँ। फिर दोबारा ये हैप्पी मोड में थोड़ा सा वो थोड़ा
This was a challenging song as far as the chordal arrangement was concerned. हमें एक पॉइंट पे थोड़ी सी मुश्किल हो रही थी कि यार किस तरह के कॉर्ड्स इसमें कर सकते हैं हम कि ये गाना अच्छा लगे तो उसके लिए then we had to take a very different direction.
ग्रूव चल रहा है।
वो मेरी बेस लाइन्स हैं जो कि मैंने बिल्कुल हाई पिच नोट्स में जाके मैंने उसकी बेस लाइन्स ली है
मैं कुछ और गा रहा था
Voice.
टेम्पो स्लो है ना
अरे जब सब चीजें बज रही होंगी ना तो
आ जाएगा तो जाए
मैं यहाँ पे आई कोप में प्रैक्टिस के रहा
तो पता ही नहीं पता कि इसमें आतिफ असलम आपके साथ गा रहे हैं। आपको नहीं पता
वो इश्क की जंजीर में जकड़ी हुई है और इश्क की
गहराई तक नहीं पहुँच रही
अच्छा ठीक है
बस बेसिकली सारे गाने में फरियाद का है
ठीक सो इंटरेस्टिंग कॉम्बिनेशन
boy boy
सही है।
जो साथ तेरे गुजरे थे सभी
मैं फ़ारसी गा रही हूँ बोल जो है वो मेरे फ़ारसी हैं और उनके उर्दू हैं
कोरस का मना मदन का मतलब है कि मैं आ चुका हूँ आ चुकी हूँ तो बस then I thought about my journey I thought about my life I thought about expressing it with strangers and so I wrote my lyrics and wrote about it
Oh.
This could have been longer. मैं बड़े आराम से और देख सकती थी, सुन
I
सकती
know.
थी।
Another like it just ended abruptly. But I mean, her let's just her this thing bits again. Like I was saying, my first sort of introduction to a language I don't understand on Coke Studio Ka Gana was Pemona Zeb and Hanya. And I remember I was on a flight and I just had saved all the new Coke Studio songs on my phone and I was like through the flight I'll listen to the whole season and I couldn't get beyond Pemona because it was the first song I played and it just took over me. It was on loop for that entire flight and the next day.
Nice.
So it doesn't matter, like I say, the language doesn't matter. You have to just feel the emotion, and that was, she was conveying it so beautifully. Her voice is so smooth, it's so soothing. Like we just said, it's like a balm. You can just listen to her, and her little playfulness in the with the lyrics and the why. I remember that because of I think it was Amitabh Bachchan in that film Khuda Gawah.
शहंशाह खुदा गवाह yeah yes
So I don't know.
Very well.
Yeah, I remember that, and it just made me smile. But I loved her portions. They were just you could feel the love, the anguish. So I mean, she explained it now in the BTS. So I think that was just coming across beautifully. And yes, her headdress. I was thinking I want to get one of those. They're so pretty. But
मैं तो वही सोच रही थी नहीं मिलेगी तो मैं पायल लेके उसको बना लूंगी like something needs to be done some little creativity but very and she was also so beautiful and her voice matched the way she looks. Like, you know,
Yeah.
it's like this very beautiful,
Calm.
Surila, stunning voice. Stunning. Yeah.
And she has this calmness about her. You can see she's just like, she was being told
Very
that आपके
sweet
साथ आतिफ
naivety.
असलम गा रहे हैं, and she's like, oh, I don't
Huh,
know.
it's okay. Ah, so
You know?
cute.
But yeah, so now coming to the song itself, the arrangement, like I didn't know they themselves were having this more like thought has gone into what chords to
Yeah.
put into this and what arrangement to have, because you can tell there's so much happening in this song and there's so many changes uh, from start to end. It's not just once or twice it changed. It changed
Yeah.
three, four,
Changed
5 times.
multiple times. Yeah. Yeah.
And it was just so smooth because it started with a very traditional sound coming in, and then I like through the entire thing, Ahad Dayani on the drums, man, the way he did all the so smooth. And there was
Yeah.
one point where she finished her solo bit, and then he just picked up with this drum roll and went into this high after, and I was like, oh, that was so good. That was so good. And the backup vocalist just kept the oohs and the ah and the chorus bits. Like it was just they carried everything that was happening because vocally there was so much happening when the two of them were alternating.
Correct.
And
Correct.
and Atif was doing so many different things, but the backup vocalist kept it all connected very
Together.
seamlessly.
Hmm.
I felt. And now coming to Atif, so much to be said. What are you? No, but I will stop talking. You go.
No, so for me, in the middle of the song, I wanted to know what the lyrics meant. So I
Hmm.
tried switching on the the subtitles,
See, yeah.
and they weren't there.
Same. I did the same.
It was my day of almost
Well done.
knocking my
Photo,
thing off. Okay, yeah. So I really enjoyed the whole. You know, जब एक नया, like you said, कि जब lyrics के अंदर कोई और नयापन होता है, जब it's a language you don't understand, you go so heavy on the music and the way it is being spoken that actually I think you'll end up absorbing the song a lot more. So, which always happens.
Yeah.
So I really, thoroughly enjoyed that. Her voice, as we discussed, was stunning. And
Yeah.
also ये गाना already exist करता था. तो जब आप एक folk गाने को लेके उसको नया बनाओगे, it's lovely to see in the BTS how they are saying how they struggle and then how they overcome it. You know, I would have loved like a more detailed discussion about कहाँ पे उनको problem हो रही थी और कैसे उन्होंने उसको पार किया. You know how it is? That's just
So,
stunning to watch.
yeah. So the thing is, they don't. I think they release the BTS before they release the actual song, and that's why they don't reveal too
Oh.
much in them. But I
That's like
wish
a
they did it
promo thing.
post. Yeah, it's like a promo, but I wish the promo is just like a 15-seconder, and then they actually release the BTS after, so we get to see a lot more of the creative process.
Correct.
But okay, or maybe I'm wrong. Maybe they release it after, but they just want to keep it short. We don't know. But yes, did he say in the BTS that I wrote my portion ka lyrics? He said that, right?
Yeah. He said that उसको थोड़ा सा ठीक करने के लिए and trying to figure out कि क्या feel है, and then he came up with certain lyrics which would go very
Certain
well with the
lyrics.
whole flow. Yeah.
So he
That
matched
उसपे
the
based
emotion
करके.
of what she was
Yeah.
singing with his own. So that is brilliant if he wrote his own lines. Because I loved all the lines he was singing, and I was trying to see in the credits कि कहीं पे lyricist का नाम है, but it's him. And I have to say that Atif is so effortless now. With his, not now, but he's been for a while. But he just went and I'm, at the risk of sounding repetitive, he went and he did what he had to do and came back as such a strong singer. Because the way he was going low. At some point, when he started, I was like, is his mic volume low? But then I realized, no, he's purposely playing it low, because then immediately after two lines, he went high again, and I was like, oh,
Like octave shifting, like हाँ बस चलो करते हैं, मतलब क्या करना है, क्या
so
आपको चाहिए क्या, मैं सब
effortless.
देता हूँ.
Yeah, and the thing is, even
Amazing.
when he's doing the high bits, there's no strain. He's just doing it. And this is where I think a little bit of the, it's gifted comes in, because he has been gifted with such a unique voice that, it just resonates and it hits you immediately. So yeah, the last portion, I have to say, it kind of took me into his Duri album ka zone, it was like an Atif
totally
song,
different
like
zone.
an Atif track.
Yeah.
That portion sounded like, and I was loving it. So loved this song. It's I think it's one of the few ones from Coke Studio I've seen that had so many variations within the song happening, and beautifully done.
But also, did you notice the way they finished it? Like these, there are certain songs of Coke Studio which have very strong finishes, but not all of them have it. I love these songs which have these strong finishes because it's like this one, you know, like live show jo ikatthe ho raha hota hai and everyone comes together and it builds up, and then like, in this case, they left us hanging. But like, you know, it's super. It's very. The
Yeah.
energy is very contagious. It's
There
lovely.
are the smooth sort of fading out ones. Then there are the strong finishes, and then there are these that will leave you hanging. And you're like, you gotta hit that last. But loved it.
आपको भी अच्छा लगा तो hit that like and subscribe definitely.
Yes, and just on, you know, before we end, I just want to say that there are a lot of people who are requesting older Coke Studio stuff even now, and I'm very happy that you want us to watch those and react to those. But we've already seen them or heard them so much that it would not be an honest reaction. So songs like Rang or older Atif songs, you know,
ये भी जो
or
बहुत
any
famous
others.
वाले हैं, like
Yeah.
Jalpari and all, we should watch उनका BTS because वो इतने famous गाने हैं कि वो तो सबको पता है, you know.
Okay,
Maybe
BTS we
should
can
do that.
cover.
है
Yeah,
ना? It'll be
yeah.
fun.
But the songs themselves, and especially if you don't, you know, see my reply to your comment or those kind of things, and you've been asking for a Coke Studio song from a very long time, please just assume that it's not being covered because we've already seen it. So, but yes, there are songs like this that we've missed. So keep letting me know in the DMs and check out Miss Bola's channel. It's linked below in the description, and we'll see you soon in the next one. Live long and prosper.
Bye.